Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone.
Hello everyone, it's me, your favorite niece Jenna, and I hope you guys have a fantastic Memorial Day. And I'm going to tell you guys something important about Memorial Day. Also, look how cute my outfit is. So I wanted to say the purpose of Memorial Day is to memorialize the veterans who made the ultimate sacrifice for their country. I hope you guys are having a good day. We're barbecuing in the backyard and we're having some fun.
we got some nice chowmein going here. And we got some cucumber chow. Who's gonna try it? Come try it, Krishna. Spicy?
Spicy.
Really?
Very spicy.
Enjoy. Look real good. And it's real hot today. What's the temperature? We got a lot of fun going on because the kids can't take the heat. So what are we cooking?
Chowmein, chicken, barbecue chicken, and some black eye.
Yeah, we got the black eye all prepped here already. Let's get going.
We got some black eye. We're making some black eye, boil and fry black eye. This is for Jenna and Ethan. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. It's hot, but I put this black thing on because I don't want my shirt to dirty. I got a white shirt here. So the black eye finished now. Adding some finished touch there. That's about it. Check it out. Real nice.
So we got the lamb chowmein. We got one pack in already. We're putting in another pack, or two pong. So we're making 2 pong of lamb chowmein.
Chowmein is finished.
I'm just training. Yes, everybody. So I got my chowmein done already. I got the oil warm up here, so I'm gonna go in and add my stuff in. So one morning around 3 o'clock, I heard a knocking at my door. So I come out to investigate to see what's the knocking. So I come out and say, hello, who is there? I heard somebody said, I need a push. I said, man, it's 3 o'clock and it's raining. I'm not giving you a push. So I went back to sleep. And while I went back to bed, Rita asked me, who was that? I said, some guy's asking for a push. But she said, did you help him? I said, no. It's 3 o'clock and it's raining. She said, no, you gotta help him. 2 months ago, we were in that same situation. Our car broke down and we needed a push, and 2 guys helped us. You gotta help people back. So I said, all right. I put on my clothes and I went out. And I called for the guy. Hello, you're there? The guy said, yeah, I'm still here. So I said, where are you? I can't see you on the road. He said, no, come over here. I'm by the swing. I need a push on the swing. So I got my other stuff going in here. I got my sweet pepper and carrot.
Smell really good.
Smells really good. That's just burning my eyes.
Yeah, yum.
Alright, so this is ready for the chowmein.
And we get the chowmein here already prepped. Krishna, long weekend. I hear you asking for anything to drink.
It's work on Tuesday. Alright, so I'm going to go in with about half of this and mix it up. So this will go good here with some barbecue chicken. How are we doing? Barbecue chicken or jerk chicken?
We're doing barbecue and jerk both.
So we're doing both today. Lucky me. Yeah, I'm gonna take some beer. Taking it light since it's Monday, Tuesday morning work day. I had enough over the last 3 days. So I'm taking it easy now. So I just put in some jalapeno pepper. See, this is looking real good here. And if you guys are vegetarian, this is a good vegetarian dish, right?
Yeah.
Because I do the chicken separate, so you can take it on top. So now we are putting in some cabbage. Put the finishing touch here. And this is a very healthy meal here. It's the vegetable chowmein, right?
Looks real good. How much plate you eat, Krishna?
Plate? We're not eating plate, we're eating bowl. One big bowl and that's it, done. Or Malaya, you eat first and then whatever remain,
Eating the curry.
I eat in the curry. So we also got some shallot here, or scallion, to top it off. See, this is looking real good.
Jenna, what you guys doing? It's too hot, right? So guys, it's too hot outside. The kids are having a blast of time. Check them out. So look what's going on here. What a gunfight. Super hot, 90-degree weather. We get Jen here. What are you doing, Jen? Not cooling off?
This is like the dollar store pool. Except at least I get to fit in here.
Jen on the street.
Ah!
Yes, so I got my chicken barbecuing here. And of course, you gotta get your beer, sipping your beer, right? I'm using this mat because I feel I'm lazy today. I don't want to clean this grill. So once I finish, I just clean the mat out and the grill will stay clean. But you get the same taste. Doesn't make a difference. It's a copper mat.
So yes guys, we're doing barbecue first and then the jerk later.
Yep. Okay, yeah, so this first set is the barbecue set. And the second set I'll do the jerk. I don't want to mix it up.
And it's real hot today.
Yeah,
Real
that's
hot.
why you see I'm soaking wet.
Yeah.
Ethan was hosing me down. Not hosing me, shooting me down with his water gun. So it's all good. I stay nice and cool with that. And of course, I got this to make it extra cool. I also got some seasoned chicken sausage here. I'll put that on the grill too.
Looks real good. So the hot dog is ready.
Yeah.
Try it, Ethan.
Really good. 11 out of 10.
Wow, Ethan.
So we're having a ball of time here, enjoying this barbecue. Look, I just take one right off the grill. Very good, very good. It's very flavorful. Rita did a very good job seasoning the chicken and taste all the flavor from it. Yes guys, so it's Memorial Day, Memorial Weekend. We're having a blast here. First set of chicken is done. I'm doing the barbecue, the jerk chicken's done now. The barbecue is done. I'm doing the jerk. Everybody's having party, neighbor is grilling, everybody's playing loud music. So we're taking part in the fun too, right? So hello, look what I got here. I got my vegetable chow mein, I got some black eye, I got jerk chicken, and I got regular barbecue chicken, all right? So let me try this, vegetable chow mein. And I also got some cabbage on top here. It's very good, very flavorful, very healthy, a lot of vegetables. And this is my chicken. Yum yum. Rita did an excellent job doing the seasoning. So it come out real good. Now for the jerk. Between the two, I have to go with the jerk.
Driving over Berbice River, me and my partner drinking Johnny Walker. Heading to Quarantine to see me love.